Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain exactly how the Tabby card works and the Tabby payment method. It's simpler than you think. First, Tabby offers both virtual and physical cards that work like credit cards but with a crucial difference: no interest charges. Next, when you use Tabby at checkout, you can split your purchase into 4 equal payments over 2 months. The first payment is due at purchase, then 3 more every 2 weeks. Then, the Tabby card is linked to your debit or credit card. Tabby automatically charges the installments to your linked payment method on the scheduled dates. After that, you can use your Tabby card anywhere that accepts Visa, both online and in physical stores across the UAE and Saudi Arabia. There are no interest fees if you pay on time. However, late payments incur fees, so it's crucial to ensure you have funds in your linked account. Tabby makes shopping more affordable by spreading costs without the high interest of traditional credit cards. If this explanation clarified how Tabby works, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.